Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a brake light on a Volvo XC90. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. Before we begin, ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the engine off. You will need a 10mm wrench or socket and a new P21-watt brake light bulb, readily available at most auto parts stores. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. First, open your tailgate and remove the small interior access panel in the cargo area, usually found near the tail light. This will expose two 10mm fasteners. Use your wrench or socket to loosen and remove both of these. Once the fasteners are out, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle body to detach it. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the bulbs. Identify the brake light bulb holder, which is typically twisted into the assembly. Twist this holder counterclockwise to release it. Then, simply pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new P21-watt replacement bulb and firmly insert it into the holder. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb. To reassemble, first reinsert the bulb holder into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Next, carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into position. Reinstall and tighten the two 10mm fasteners you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly, ensuring your safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.